Correct, gano'n siya. So, the AI-powered chatbot is really a disruptive innovation talaga for me. Kaya nga I'm really not a fan
Oo.
of chatbots talaga. Because of that, because a lot of companies are using AI-powered chatbot, which is a disruptive innovation talaga in this generation, customers are getting frustrated and moving to another company. And now they're wondering, "Ha, ba't ang taas ng aking ano, ng customer churn ko? Bakit ganito? Why do I need retention department?" Nagets mo?
Oo.
Right. So it's like it will trickle down to customer churn and customers moving to a different company. Now you're going to spend another for retention team. Kailangan ko ng retention team para pigilan yung mga customers. Oh,
Correct.
nag-spend ka ng AI-powered chatbots. Mag-spend dahil hindi ba nag-send ka for retention team, niloloko mo ng sarili mo, right?